Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform and VerticalResponse. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically sends form submissions from Jotform directly into your VerticalResponse contact lists, saving you tons of manual data entry and keeping your email marketing database up to date in real time. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the form you want to connect with VerticalResponse. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will bring you to a view of all the forms you've created in your account. Now locate the specific form you want to integrate with VerticalResponse. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the Form Builder interface where you can make all kinds of modifications to your form's design and functionality. Inside the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the behind-the-scenes configurations for your form, including integrations with external platforms. In the Settings area, you'll see a left side panel with various options. Click on Integrations from this panel. This section houses all the third-party tools and services that Jotform can connect with, and there are hundreds of options available. Use the search bar to type in VerticalResponse. Once it appears in the results, click on it. This will open the VerticalResponse integration setup page where you'll configure how the two platforms communicate. The first thing you'll need to do is click the Authenticate button. This step is crucial because it establishes a secure connection between your Jotform account and your VerticalResponse account. You may be prompted to log into VerticalResponse if you're not already signed in, so have those credentials ready. Once authentication is complete, you'll be asked to choose a list. This is where you select which VerticalResponse contact list you want your form submissions to flow into. Pick the list that makes the most sense for the type of data you're collecting. Next comes the field mapping stage. Here you'll match your Jotform fields to the corresponding fields. For example, if your form has a full name field, you'll map that to the name field in VerticalResponse. If you need to add extra fields beyond the default options, simply click Add New Field and continue mapping until everything aligns properly. There's also a checkbox labeled Add Existing Contacts to VerticalResponse. If you check this option, any past form submissions will be retroactively added to your VerticalResponse list, not just future ones. This is particularly handy if you're setting up the integration after you've already collected some responses. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Complete Integration to save all your settings. This locks in your choices and activates the connection between the two platforms. Finally, click Finish to close out the integration setup. From this point forward, every new submission on your Jotform will automatically populate your chosen VerticalResponse list, keeping your email marketing efforts streamlined and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.